Could you help carry some stuff?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
But if you guys want to start organizing.
So today we're here, Playa Los Enojados. We're preparing everything, ready to clean the beach.
Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Bien?
Sí. Me alegro de verte.
Y Anita.
Hola, buenos días.
Hola, Anita.
¿Qué tal? ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien.
Hola, fácil.
Maravilloso.
I'm glad to see all these people come here today.
Durante las próximas 2 horas vamos a estar aquí todos limpiando la playa para dejarla bien limpita. ¡Vamos!
Vengan cristales, cristales, vengan cristales.
Hoy estamos aquí en Canary haciendo la reunión de la playa y lo descubrimos por Instagram y también porque me llegó un correo y pues nos pareció interesante y por eso estamos aquí.
There's so much rubbish on the beach, including building rubbish.
So Agata, what's the weirdest find from today?
Well, first of all, I found the armband from Aqualand, which is water park around 20 kilometers from here. So it shows you how far the rubbish can travel. And then disintegrated battery, which you know should be disposed of in special containers. And here it was on the beach.
So just on the beach right now, look at this, what I've found now. I mean, this is absolutely terrible. I mean, imagine coming down here and bathing or walking your dog or actually even being with children. Just look at the sharp edges on that. It's absolutely shocking. And that's one of the great things that we're doing today with the Sustainable Gangster team, is taking little bits of rubbish like this that are dangerous to kids.
Este es otro ejemplo muy triste de lo que la irresponsabilidad de los ciudadanos puede causar en nuestro entorno tan bonito como es la Playa de los Enojados y todo este paraje. Un poco más allá tenemos el Malpaís de Rasca y la verdad que es muy triste encontrarnos con esto, pero menos mal que hay personas como todas las que hoy nos están acompañando que sí están concienciadas y que sí se preocupan mucho por mantener los entornos conservados.
So here you can see a horrible example of littering on Tenerife, because you can see people are living in those tents and then leaving all the rubbish behind. So we are here exactly for that, to keep our island clean and safe for everyone.
Hola, me llamo Adrián y tengo 9 años. Ahora mismo estoy con mi padre en Las Galletas, en la Playa Los Enojados, haciendo una recogida de basura. Mira ya todo lo que hemos recogido, pura basura.
Thank you very much from the Ayuntamiento de Arona. We always gonna be here helping you. Thank you very much, Canary Green.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. I think we have to do it for everyone. Thank you very much.
So we've collected over 600 kilograms of rubbish. You can see here. It's been an amazing effort from everyone.
Guys, the energy today was absolutely fantastic. So make sure you join us at Sustainable Gangsters, and we'll see you soon.
Vamos!
Vamos!
Are doing great.